In this video, we'll show you how you can pair your TCL remote with your Google TV. So for this, you'll first need to turn on your TV. You can do this by using the power button at the bottom of your TV. Once you have turned on the TV, you need to press OK and the home button together on your remote. So simply press and hold OK and home. Once you see this screen, you can release the buttons and your remote will be paired. So as you can see, I can now use the remote to navigate my TV. So I'll just open the settings first. Now if I scroll down and go to this option called remote and accessories, it will now show my remote as well. So as you can see, my remote can be seen on the TV. Now you can rename it, forget it, or check its status and information. If you want to pair another remote, go to this remote control pairing option and then select pair a new remote. Again you will see this screen and the process is similar. Simply press and hold OK and home button together and your remote will be paired. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.